So this one, it is a base that I've made it for demonstration last year because its texture, I was thinking that I can use it also now. And at the end of it, I will bring a little bit of something else. And I hope that I will not make too much mess. I believe it is a very, very nice Lisianthus. It can bring also calm in the design, but also contrast. So now I will put a little bit of Scabiosa. I wanted to show you this beauty. This design was for thinking of Joker, and he was a little bit of chaotic.